my name is Maria Sparks from Cork and Platter, and I'm going to walk you through a Philly cheesesteak recipe. We're going to start with a strip loin, and we've got about 2 pounds of strip loin. And the little trick that I've done is we've frozen the strip loin for about 45 minutes. So it's not really frozen, but it's very, very firm. You can see I'm poking it, and it's not totally giving way to my finger putting the pressure on it, but it's not rock solid frozen. This is a very good method to use too if you were cutting something like prosciutto, where you need to get it super, super thin, or pancetta. It makes your life so much simpler. I'm slicing against the grain, and that keeps the meat very tender. And now we're going to take our meat and we're going to season it. Take it, put it in your bowl, and then season it with whatever seasonings you like. I like quite a bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And one of my favorite things is Montreal steak spice. And then we're going to go over to our pan, which is heating up, and we're going to add a little oil. I'm going to add the meat. This only takes a few minutes because the meat is thinly sliced. I'm just kind of letting the meat stay in one place and not messing with it, and that way the flame hits the pan and starts browning the meat. All right. Give it one more stir. So all the pieces of meat are and it's almost lunchtime. I also like to take my tongs and scrape up the little brown bits. It just adds more flavor to the meat and the sandwich. You can also do what's called deglazing the pan, which is adding something like a little red wine to your pan, and that collects all the brown bits and makes almost like a little sauce, like a jus. All right, we're done. There we go. And that's how you make Philly cheesesteak.